How to update Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. It's really important to keep your antivirus updated because new viruses and security threats appear every single day. Updating Microsoft Defender helps keep your computer fully protected against the latest malware and threats. So let's go ahead and do it step by step. First, open the Start menu on your Windows 11 computer. Now search for Windows Security and open it. Once Windows Security opens, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you can also run a virus scan if needed. But for now, scroll down until you see Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Now click on Protection Updates. Next, click on the Check for Updates button. Windows Defender will now search for the latest antivirus and security updates. These updates include the newest virus and malware definitions to protect your computer. If any updates are found, simply install them from here. Once the update is complete, your Microsoft Defender Antivirus will be fully up to date. And that's it, your Windows 11 PC is now better protected against the latest security threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.